Got a FORD RAPTOR with check engine light and rough idle. Let's diagnose. Connect your OBD interface. Select Wi-Fi to your phone. Connect to Wi-Fi OBD2. Go to Car Scanner Pro, tap Connect and Diagnostic Trouble Codes. This time P0264 is the only present pertaining to injector number 2. Let's measure the resistance of a good injector number 1. Now let's verify if the injector number 2 and 3 is a bad injector. Note the good injector resistance is between 180,000 to 220,000 ohms on FORD RAPTOR. Please follow my Facebook for more car tips.